job. I'm here at an apartment that we have. The tenant is out of town for a month, so we decided to tackle this apartment. In the kitchen and the bathroom I renovated maybe 5 years ago. Can't remember. My buddy Peter from Canada helped me on a day's work here, and put all new floors in and walls and kitchen and the whole bit. But this was never redone. We painted it, but that was it. So anyways, while the tenant's out of town, we thought we'd come in, and because it's falling apart. I mean, we knew that, so it's fine. But I'm going to replace all these tatami and put in a hardwood floor, well, engineered wood floor, and then also these Fusuma, these sliding door things. Somebody in the past redid these, and they did it the kind of cheaty way, that you don't take these wooden pieces off and wrap the paper around. You just stick it on and then you cut it with a knife. But what that does is it cuts the old paper in behind, and then it doesn't stay on. So I'm going to take these off and fix them correctly. So my lovely daughter Erica is here helping me carry some stuff around, and we're going to get at it. Okay, so we got all the tatami out, and we got all the materials up here. Got the plywood and the sticks that'll be the spacers, and I still got to take the Fusuma out, and I found some other things that I'm going to address. I found some stuff like this is the wheel that runs in the track down there on the door. Yeah, it's not even kind of close to round anymore. So, got to replace that. Probably replace them both at the same time. Also, the tenant was using, this is a dedicated circuit for the air conditioner, and he had like a splicer thing on there, and he had like 3 things plugged in, which is just not great. So I think what I'm going to do, that's the gas outlet down there, is there's an electrical outlet over here, and they're also very old outlets, so I'm going to change it. And I'm going to run wire mold here. Actually, I can run it under the floor, think about it. And I'm going to put a new outlet there, so he has a place to plug in his computer. That's better than running an octopus out of that. Yeah, maybe I'll even run one over here. I mean, these places are very underpowered. Oh yeah, also look at he was hanging all his clothes on there. So the other thing I'm going to do is on the ceiling here, I'm going to put a bar that is on the ceiling there. It goes all the way across, be supported in 3 or 4 places that can hold stuff, so that he can hang clothes in there instead of hanging them on the curtain rod. So I'm going to do some improvements here. Why not while we're here?